Alosikineta anwa potu Engarenok lo NRM inyabukoto nesemori aritos eiponelo aidar akipi angaleu aitikitiki bakor ka akerianutu eja acheda.
As the leaders of Teso, that we want to see an experiment of progress coming to the region. When they talk about progress, they don't say we're going to take progress to Manisa, we're going to take progress to Kubi. It's upon you as the leaders to say we are here, we are available. We know the roles that we want. We have got our priorities right.
Engarenok iche kese toro naritos abungeta chenwa pugani ebe tiakatiaka lu ido amen aitosoma ipele kikech aingarakina itungaluo teso.
We are having a problem here in Teso. Ministers in Teso who come from Teso are cheating districts which don't have ministers. And we are telling the president, we are now seeing development in all the districts which have ministers.
Soga does not have a ministry of Soga, but it receives close to 370 billion shillings every financial year, both from financial from partners, government partners, and government, because they have the minimum development program. Maybe this goes to Ambassador, that how do we develop a Teso development initiative?
The issues which are really flowing on the house are the issues of divisions. And I want to tell you, I am sometimes a little bit shocked, because amongst ourselves at TPG, we don't seem to feel that level of, bridges between us within TPG. Someone's accusing us of, being in cliques, but I will tell you, we support one another, we share information, and we have, to the best of my knowledge, not yet created any cliques. And I'll just say, let's give TPG some bit of, I think, a plus. For my historical knowledge, this is the first time I've spent almost 2 years without a head-on clash among his MPs from Teso.
Engarenok lu kesi abu Ambassador Lieutenant General Charles Angina, Deputy Head of Mission Koibuga Cairo, Egypt, oenak aibungeta na Alosikineta kanoi busanikit aswam tetere elemuni tunga ochan.
Build vertically than horizontal, and that will create more room for development and also more room for other children who will come may build on your foundation. If it's a strong foundation, it can carry up to 6-7 story buildings. Are we together? That is still critical about mindset change and people to understand why some of these programs are taking place.
Ejangono da Ambassador Nelson Ocheger, Uganda High Commission to Nigeria, ngesabu ogolo kaurianetena iturite iponelo puga NRM noi President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
The onus is on us. In our respective positions of responsibility, national, local, civil society, religious, private sector, namely, including the media, to provide leadership necessary for us to transform these strategic advantages into opportunities for the benefit of our people.
Kanuka TV is Solomon Ramu, Koibuga Soroti. Kanuka Top Radio, Solomon Ramu, Koibuga Soroti.